Coming in once again. Mic check, you feel that buzz in your head? Coming in once again. Mic check, you feel that buzz in your head? Coming in once again. Michael Ray's fucking with you again. Where should I begin? Kids are burning and we ain't learning as the world burns. We caught in a mind trap. You love your cell phone like a mouse loves his trap. Corporations say just shut your trap. Kids watch your back. Smart meter in the back. Electric cars will cook you just like it should do. What did you expect it to do? Baby, on board cooking it some more. Digital toys to thrill you, just to kill you. Lily waving you just to seduce you. Now get loose from the news. No longer tied to the tech, but the kids in the classroom get hit by the tech. If they have kids, it'll reflect the time spent being eradicated. No way to shade it. Safety guidelines, tech companies pay for it. Experiment, you pay for it. With your kids, did you hear what I just said? Joe Rogan, hit me up if more needs to be said. I'm a spiritual friend. This happens when the trees are green. What'll happen in the dry? When there's no trees for the tissue for your eye. No air for the baby inside. But Hicks says it's all just a ride.